Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to change your login PIN. So there's a couple ways to do it. One way is on the admin portal, which is the back end portion, and then you can also change it here from the iPad. So we'll cover the iPad on this video. On another video, we'll cover the admin portal one. So first thing you want to do is sign in with your current PIN. So for example, we're using 1 for John Smith. And you want to go up to the menu up here by your name, and then there's an option to change PIN/card. The reason why it says card is because you can have manager cards with additional equipment. But if you're just changing your PIN, then you type your old password here, and then you put your new PIN. So we'll just say 2, and then confirm. And then select change PIN, and it says success and then goes away. And then you can test it by logging out and then logging in, and there we go, it worked. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.